Grand Rising, Grand Rising. This beauty just got dropped off. Yes, it's my second 64 quart dual freezer, Bluetooth wireless, mobile with wheels on it, bodega. Another one. I love these units, so I bought another one. My goal is they're all 12 volt. These things sip energy. They sip energy. I actually took a freezer to the Goodwill. Well, I had him come get it yesterday because I'm going to be using these new 12 volt bodega dual freezers for all my food storage, in my garage and so forth. Instead of using a deep freezer, for a grit down situation, I can just take these with me. They're easy to power, low wattage. I have two now.